We'll have some breaking news. It appears that Google will stop making the Pixelbook Chromebook, and according to this headline on MSN News, this proves that the world wasn't ready for premium Chromebooks. Well, that's nonsense, of course. There are other high-end Chromebook choices that you can buy. Perhaps a better headline would be maybe the world isn't ready for multiple premium Chromebooks. Of course, Chromebooks have been around now over 10 years, and I think they hit their stride when, during the pandemic, Chromebooks outsold MacBooks. That really says a lot. Just a few years ago, like if you would ask someone, what do you think of Chromebooks? They probably would have gone, Chromebooks, I've heard of them. Let alone tell them, hey, they're based off of Linux. They probably would have sounded like... That being said, I like my Chromebooks. They have been as reliable and as stable as can be. So as far as no more Pixelbook, is it really going to be missed? Nah, probably not. You know, Chromebooks start at an affordable $200 up to $1,000. And a nice thing about Chromebooks, the quality is the same, meaning they're all stable. They tend to work the same in terms of reliability and stability. Now, of course, the higher you go in price, better processor, more RAM. But in terms of the experience, the quality of the experience and how they work, it's the same. So the Pixelbook may be no more, but Chromebooks are here to stay. Check one out if you haven't already.